I'm going to assemble the parts to the sink faucet. I'll start by removing the protective tops first. Flexible hoses can now be mounted on the tap. You can do the last stroke carefully with the wrench or water pump pliers. Be careful, do not over-tighten. I can now tighten the M8 threaded pin to the tap. You can do this hand tight. Loosen the nut, we'll need it later. Do not forget to put the cover plate around the tubes first. Make sure it fits properly in place. I'm going to drill the hole for the faucet now. Check the size of the hole and don't drill too big. The O-ring should have enough material on the side to make a good seal. I'll give you a helpful tip. Make the hole dust-free and vacuum it empty with a vacuum cleaner. Lubricate the hole with silicone sealant. This is useful because if the tap ever starts to leak on the side, the water will never penetrate the wood. The next step is to attach the tap to the underside of the blade. First place the rubber and then the steel pressure plate. Use the supplied plastic wrench and tighten the nut securely. Flexible hoses can be mounted. Hold the hose against with a pipe wrench and then tighten it firmly. Make sure that the flexible hoses do not rotate. A handy tip: when you turn the tap all the way on, turn it back a quarter of a turn to prevent the tap from getting stuck after a while. Unscrew the aerator with the key. You then rinse the tap clean. This way you prevent the aerator from becoming clogged. Sometimes there may be dust or metal particles in the faucet or in the pipes. Perlator can be screwed back on and the tap is ready for use. Don't forget to give a big thumbs up if you like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time.